Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you have got that appeal age restrictions on TikTok and you would like to appeal a TikTok age restrictions in today's video, we are going to go ahead and guide you through the process for that. So let's get started. Open up the TikTok application for that and you can tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and that should open up your profile here. From here, you can select the content that was incorrectly age restricted. You can appeal by following up the step where you should be getting a notification for appeal. You can tap on it, or what you can do is you can basically go to your settings and privacy and report a problem. So look out for the menu icon in the top right corner. For that, go ahead and open it up, and a menu appears. Look out for settings and privacy from here and go ahead and tap on it and open up your settings and privacy for your TikTok like this. Now, from the bunch of options given here, you may just scroll through the options and find the section called Report a Problem. So head over that option right there and just go ahead and report it. And once you go ahead and tap on Report a Problem, you may just go ahead and look out for the option called Account and Profile. Head over and tap on it, and that should open up this page right here. From here, you may just head over and go to this option called any of the option like profile page or something like that. So let's head over to profile page and tap on it, and it should give you this option with bunch of articles or steps to fix your issue. You can go over and tap on other, and once you tap on other, you will just head over and wait for this page to load up where you can go ahead and appeal now. So wait for that page to open first. And then once it opens up, you can select this option. For is your problem resolved, you can select the option for no, and you can tap on need more help like this. And it should open up the TikTok support page for you, which should be available like this. Now, what you need to do is you need to appeal them. So in this text box option in the bottom, tap on it. When you type here, you need to type in some things, some thing that to appeal them to remove the age restrictions. So for example, let's type in I have been facing age restrictions issue. So I can type in that, and you can type in ask them to please fix that issue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in that. You can also go ahead and make it more something convincing so that they will react more faster. So you can just go ahead and send it up, and once you do so, it should reply to you, and they should check it out and whether they should check out whether you have that issue or not, and that should help you out. So that is it for today's video. We have these options to just go ahead and remove it. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.